Today we will be testing out Adobe's text-to-image generator that is free to use for everyone. If you know, Adobe is the creator of Photoshop, Adobe Premiere. It's a powerhouse essentially of a company, and right now they offer Adobe Firefly, that's the name of the text-to-image generator, and you can use it for free. Of course, in Photoshop you have like generative fill that fills the image according to its surroundings, and video generators that are essentially inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started with Adobe Firefly. When you open up this link over here, you click create with Firefly, and here you can see generated images by Firefly, which look super amazing. Again, these are probably the best of the best. So I'm going to compare it with my favorite model, that is Ideogram. It has some free generations, but in most cases you will have to pay if you want more than 5 images per week. So we are going to get started by generating this image using the magic prompt that was used from Ideogram. So I'm going to paste it over here and I'm going to click the generate button. So there is also fast mode for Firefly image number 3, which is interesting. So let's see what the result is, and I have to say this is not bad at all. Again, this is not super high quality. This is probably due to the fact that it's free to use. You can select here the content type and what image generator you want to use, and this is for previews. So if I close this and I change the widescreen and click the generate button, I expect to get a better result than the previous one. So it will give us a little bit, a better comparison. Also, you've got multiple effects that you can use, lighting, you can really select a lot of things. So this is very, very nice because you customize the result. So what it feels like is that these images are quite realistic. It has a very big problem handling the person. That's what I would say. It doesn't capture the person as well, and it's not even close to Ideogram at this point, but we're going to give it the benefit of a doubt, and I'm going to generate something that is more stylistic. I'm going to generate a Roblox character in a forest, misty forest or whatever. So let's put here the prompt and let's also try some of these effects. So I'm going to go with, let's see, movements, popular, bouquet effect. All right, let's try this. What else can we try? Content type is art, not photo. What else can we do? We can have like lightning. So I'm going to go with low lighting. I'm going to go with vibrant colors, and I'm going to go, landscape photography. So let's try and generate this with all of these filters, and let's see what the result will be. I'm very excited to actually test this out. This is my first time trying it out, so I'm learning along with you. I also Whoa. Okay, so this is not even close to Roblox, I gotta say, but the quality seems quite nice for an artwork. I think this is astonishingly good. So let's try something else. Let's try another prompt, this is one of my favorite ones. Like, this is, in my opinion, the best image that I have ever seen coming out of Ideogram. So I want to generate this. We've got to put the prompt over here, and we've got to put our best effort. We want highly realistic. That's my first setting. I'm going to go with photo, no fast mode. We want to go with a little bit golden. I will go for golden. I'm also going to go with golden hour, and I'm going to go with landscape photography. So I'm going to give this a try. Hopefully the result will be very, very nice. But again, this is a free image generator that you can add to your tool case, and that's something that we want, something that we like. We want free stuff that we can use, and let's try it out. Okay, it's really realistic. It cannot handle text. This is obvious. Yeah, it cannot handle text at all, but I've got to say, in terms of realism, this is absolutely incredible. The water seems so real. Golden hour, if they can create a little bit better text, it would be absolutely amazing. But again, this is a win for me from ideogram. So I'm going also to generate this image that I really like. Let's give this another try. I'm going to remove all the filters. I don't want, to mess it up or whatever. I'm going to leave it as it is, and hopefully it will do the work that it should do. Hyper-realistic photo of a prisoner. So this is a person in orange jumpsuit, white t-shirt. He's sitting in a prison. Also, what we can note here is that it is very fast generate images, and this is absolutely amazing. I really like it. This image is very good. This image is very good, very good. I think it done an absolutely amazing job. I don't know why every person is black. This is a little bit of a not aligned model. At least two of these guys should be white people, but okay, I think this is very nice. The result is very nice. So I'm going to compare also with another free tool that we have been using in the past, which is Recraft. Again, go watch my older videos. And there is a specific image that I love. I absolutely love this image from Recraft. I think it's one of the best images generated by it. And let's try and generate this woman over here. So I find this absolutely astonishing. Cyborg style of things. It's insane. So let's give this a try. I'm going to remove hyper-realistic because I don't want to make it harder for the model. I'm just going to leave it on autopilot, and I wish it the very best. So let's see what it can do, and we will try also one more thing, this futuristic option. Wow. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. This is great. This is great. This is absolutely insane work. Let's try this futuristic setting. I've got no words. Like, this is congratulations. Like, I really like Adobe Firefly. Again, if you have a lot of free products, you can use them all at the same time and, pick and choose what you like mostly. This is incredible. This is incredible work. I've got nothing more to say, guys. This is very nice. And here you can add a reference image or a reference composition. So you can, let me actually try this. So I'm going to export this image as PNG, put it over here as an outline, and let's go ahead. We are going to try something different. I'm going to go here. I have put up a reference image, which is the image that I got from the other free image generator that I really liked. And let's see what the result will be. This is insane. Also, if you like this kind of videos, make sure to support my channel by checking the link down below in the description that says NoFX. It supports my channel through advertisement, and you may find something interesting there. So yeah, this is a very nice result. It's not hyper-realistic, but I also like it. Oh, and you can select two options at the same time. Whoa, that's absolutely nice. Lots of customizability. Whoa, I really did not expect that, guys. And here you can flip over the images, how you see them. I really like this tool. I really like this tool. I don't know if the images, yeah, hyper-realistic works so nicely. You can see so much more details in the faces of the people. This is interesting. And I can also put this image for reference of style. Final generation, let's see what the maximum performance of this model will be. I'm very excited. This is absolutely insane. I did not expect it. Whoa, now we're talking. Now we're fucking talking. Okay, guys, we gotta see this. Very close to the reference image. Adobe, you absolutely solved this tool for me. I really like it. I hope you like this video. Check it out, subscribe for more AI videos, and I wish you the best.